Trezor Safe 5 versus Trezor Model T. That is the topic of today's video. The Trezor Safe 5 is designed to be the most comfortable, user-friendly hardware wallet on the market. It features a vibrant colored touchscreen with haptic feedback enhancing the user's experience. Other key features include the secure element chip for enhanced security, ensuring your private keys remain protected, and it also utilizes a 20-word backup, providing more accessibility to backup options. In terms of pricing, the Trezor Safe 5 is priced at $169 US. The Trezor Model T is a touchscreen hardware wallet that has been a trusted choice for secure cryptocurrency storage for a while now. Other features include the fact that it operates on open source software, allowing for transparency and community verification of its security measures, as well as the fact that it supports 12-word and 24-word backups, providing flexibility in securing your wallet. The Trezor Model T is currently back on the Trezor website for purchase, and it's going for $129. So in summary, the Trezor Safe 5 offers a more modern design with enhanced usability features like the vibrant touchscreen and haptic feedback, along with advanced security measures, making it a strong choice for both new and experienced cryptocurrency users. The Trezor Model T, while lacking in touchscreen and haptic feedback, is definitely still a good choice for securing your crypto. Thanks for joining us. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.